Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing why zeros appear in your Excel sheet. Zeros can come from formulas, number formatting, or display options in Excel. Look for formulas that explicitly return zero, such as simple arithmetic or IF outputs. Check cells formatted as text that show zero from input or conversion. Inspect lookup formulas that return zero when no match exists. Open File, then Options, then Advanced to find the display option. That option controls whether zeros show for the current worksheet. Apply quick fixes using Excel settings and formatting choices. Turn off zeros via File, then Options, then Advanced by unchecking Show a zero in cells for the worksheet. Use a custom number format like 0, -0, to hide zero values visually in cells. Wrap formulas with IF checks such as IF, formula equals 0, formula, to return blanks instead of zero. Convert text zeros using value or text to columns when needed. Use find and replace to swap zero results only when safe and specific. Use advanced methods to prevent zeros and retain accuracy in workbooks. Use IFER around calculations to avoid showing zero or error text, for example IFER formula, to display a blank. For lookup formulas, use IFNA or conditional checks like IF VLOOKUP equals 0 VLOOKUP to suppress unwanted zeros. Apply conditional formatting rules that change display color or hide zero values when cell equals 0. Document any hidden zero rules so collaborators understand data behavior and maintain transparency across reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.